Why start your trading career with S&P 500 index-based instruments? 7 important facts that make this the best choice for beginners. Number 1. The S&P 500 index is a weighted average of the top 500 US companies. It has historically gone up since its inception, so it has a long bias. 2. Its moves are mild and not wild. 1% moves are more common than 3% or 4% moves. 3. It is rare to see big overnight surprises or gaps in prices. 4. Bad news on one company will rarely have the same effect on the whole index. 5. It has highly liquid instruments such as SPY ETF, options, and futures contracts with volume in millions. 6. SPY ETF trades for an extended period, giving you more opportunity to get in and out of positions. 7. Aftermarket is till 8 p.m. and you can start trading as early as 4 a.m. Eastern Time in the pre-market.